Hello guys and welcome. In today's episode we're going to look at Primexbt, which is a trading platform that offers copy trading, opportunities to make APY on your crypto and much more. Obviously nothing I say on this video is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the Primexbt website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. You can see that there's lots of different things going on here. We're going to take a look at all of the different features of this platform right now. The trading volume around 681 million a day. If you're looking for trading platforms, you want to look for high liquidity, lots of trading volume. It makes trading much better because it tends to mean the spreads are much lower and therefore can be much more profitable if you are successful in your trading. One cool thing about this platform is it's not just a cryptocurrency trading platform, but it also allows you to trade stocks as well as forex and all sorts of other things. So when crypto is suffering like it is perhaps right now, obviously you can go short in crypto markets, but that can be quite risky. But you've also got lots of opportunities to trade other things that are happening in the world right now. Now, in terms of this as a trading platform, it's considered to be one of the best crypto and forex brokers, having won forex awards for such things, as well as being the best platform for margin trading, ADVFN International Financial Awards, and has also won the best crypto trading app at the Forex Trading Awards. The execution speed is super fast, there's high trading volume, and there's also 12 or more liquidity providers. One other really cool feature of this platform, if you're new to trading and you don't know much about trading, but you still want to be able to benefit from the profits of trading, there's an opportunity to get involved in co-vesting copy trading modules. Now, basically how that works is traders who are successful traders can apply to be one of the copy traders or the copied traders on the platform. And that means that then people can go in and copy their trades. It's going to cost a small fee of your potential profits, but it's basically a way that you can literally set and forget your accounts to copy other successful traders. If, however, you are a successful trader and you want to be able to make more money from your trading strategies, and then you can also make up to 20% profit of all the traders who are following you. So if you think about how that works, guys, if you had thousands of people potentially copying your trades and you're successful, then you'll make 20% of all the profits they make on top of the profits that you're making from trading. So it's a really cool way in which you can gain extra funds or extra rewards for your trading success. Now, another thing that I'm very passionate about is earning a percentage yield on your crypto. Obviously, having crypto is all very well, because over time the anticipation of the market is that it's going to be going up and we're going to be making money on our crypto. But if you're not making an annual percentage yield, which means interest basically on your accounts, then you're losing out on potentially a lot of money. Because if you come over to Primexbt, you can see that you can earn up to 14% APY on most of the popular crypto assets, and it's very easy to get started. If you're also not interested in taking kind of higher risks and trading various cryptos like Ethereum, Bitcoin, which obviously the prices go up and down quite a lot each day, you can still earn up to 13.2% on USDT, which is linked to the US dollar and therefore much less volatile. There's up to 100x leverage available on the trading, but I do warn against using things like 100x trading if you're very new to crypto or very new to trading in general, because it can be a very quick way to wipe out your account. So if you're an experienced trader, it gives you the opportunity to use 100x leverage, which obviously means you can absolutely maximize your profits. Obviously, you don't have to use 100%. There's obviously smaller margins available. Now, one other cool thing that you might not have considered when talking about day trading, or why one might get into day trading, is that even when the markets are going down, you can still make money by shorting the market. So basically betting on the price becoming lower than it is at a current price. So for example, in the last few months in crypto, back in December, we pretty much saw the highs of the crypto market, and we have been pretty much going down for the last 5 months or so, which might seem a bit crazy because the time's gone very fast. but that's another way in which you can continue to make money even when the markets are moving against most people. You can also use an app, which means you can track your trades and use them anytime, anywhere. It's very easy to open an account, free in minutes, and you can then just start trading straight away with low fees, 24/7 support, and all the best features that you would expect from a top flight trading platform. Now, looking at the top, you can see all the list of the products available. There's an academy, so you can improve your trading, learning from other people. You can see all the different markets available here, and we're going to look at the trading tools and come down here to where it says copy trading. So I've already mentioned a little bit about copy trading, but copy trading is an innovative tool that allows you to track and copy trades of leading Primexbt traders with a wealth of tools at their disposal, copy the best in the trading community, and benefit from the experience, expertise, and winning strategies. Now what you can do, guys, is you can go through and select a trader who's been performing particularly well. You can see that they've got total profits. Some of them are absolutely insane, guys. We look at Earth BTC, total profit 922%. Over 30 days. Actually, what you really want to be looking for, guys, is people who've been trading for a longer period of time, but perhaps still successful. You can see this one, number 5, Wazawa or Waswawa or something like that. You can see the total profit here, 678%. Total profit today, 10%, and 200 active days. So in a 200-day period, they've been pretty much accurate most days, guys, which means you're going to be consistently making money with this. Obviously, it's not risk-free. You can lose money if they go down, so you've got to kind of run with the punches. You can kind of work out the amount of active days and see how successful they've been. Then you've got a rating over here on the right-hand side. Obviously, you know, take ratings with a pinch of salt, because I'm sure there's some people who jump in on day one and maybe there's a down day or a lost day, and they just give it 1 star and move on to another one. But ultimately, looking for consistency in trading is what we're really looking at. So look at the stats, look at the numbers and the performance charts. You can see Scalper 1 at the top. Performance chart's just been steadily growing the amount of money for its followers. Now, another cool thing about trading, it can be a bit of a lonely world in the world of a trader, as I have experienced quite often. But what's cool is you can interact with other people in trading communities and also take part in contests to win a real prize money. Use virtual funds to compete against other traders around the world and win generous rewards. Now, virtual funds means that that money is actually not even real money, and it's basically risk-free, but allows you to still compete for real funds. So if you back yourself as a trader, but perhaps don't have necessarily the capital to be trading right now, well, this is another way in which you can take part in trading, and therefore maybe win some rewards from not taking any risk with your own capital. There's lots of different competitions available. All you've got to do is click on one of them, click on join, and then you can start right away with the trading competition. If you're new to trading and you don't know much about how trading works, what's really cool is they have a trading academy. So before you go and start trading with live funds, I really recommend that you get involved in some sort of a trading academy. Lots of courses online, cost lots of money, but you can come over here and you can learn for free just by starting a Primexbt account. There's loads of videos here. We can learn about crypto trading. There's various guides on how you can use the platform, and there's loads and loads of cryptocurrency courses listed down below. So even if you're not really looking to trade live right now, come across, get involved in a trading academy, because once you learn how to trade, guys, once you learn the tools of trading, you then have the tools to be able to make money for the rest of your life if you're consistent and if you can build up sort of good strategy and good psychology around it. Now, if you've got lots of friends, etc., who might be interested in trading with you, then you can refer them to the platform. Then you'll be able to earn rewards that way. If you're a blogger or a content creator, then there's also lots of ways in which you can refer people to the platform via YouTube, TikTok, etc., and be able to make money that way. Pretty much a semi-passive form of income. You put the work in at the start, and then you could potentially be referring people to this platform for the next few years, who even knows? And then every time someone signs up, you're going to earn rewards on their sign-up fees, etc. As well as that, there's lots of different ways in which you can get paid, either by bank transfer or through crypto, depending on the markets. And right now, it's probably a pretty good time to be getting paid in Bitcoin. Jumping over to Twitter then, guys, you can see that Primexbt currently has 104,000 followers. It's a really well-established platform, and all the news about the giveaways, as well as all the updates on all the new services they offer, like Australian versus Swiss, here with leverage, various other things happening. Here you can see they gave away $1,000, 10 winners winning $100 each, ends the 26th of May. So if you want to come across and potentially win $100, all you got to do is come across and follow the small instructions here in order to be able to win potential giveaways there. So overall, Primexbt is one of the leading trading platforms available out there with crypto trading, forex, S&P 500, and much more. My favorite features are the Trading Academy, where you can come and improve your trading skills or just learn to trade if you're completely new to the game. As well as that, the copy trading allows you to be able to make money not knowing much about trading just by copying someone who's an experienced trader, or if you are an experienced trader, you have the opportunity to earn up to 20% of the profits of your followers. Everything I've talked about today is in the website, which is linked down below in the description, so make sure you head across now and set yourself up a free account and get started, because there's no point in waiting. If you've enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Thanks very much for doing that. It helps us out more than you know. If you're new to crypto, you're new to the metaverse, and much more, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest opportunities happening within the crypto market. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.